name is Sanushka Naidu. I have a PhD degree in plant science from the University of Pretoria. I am currently a senior lecturer at the University of Pretoria in the Department of Genetics. I lead the Eucalyptus and Pine Pathogen Interactions program within the Forestry and Agricultural Biotechnology Institute. My interest in plant genetics and biotechnology began in high school when I was awarded a scholarship to complete a wilderness leadership program. I continued with my BSc and BSc Honours degree at the University of KwaZulu-Natal and obtained my MSc at the University of Stellenbosch with distinction. During my MSc, I studied a gene considered important to improve sugar yield in sugarcane. I had uncovered the correct gene that would be subject to further genetic investigation, and the gene is currently patented. I was awarded the Mellon Foundation Mentoring Prize to complete my PhD degree, where I worked in the model system Arabidopsis and the bacterial wilt pathogen Ralstonia solanacearum. This pathogen is a quarantine organism which has devastating effects on potatoes and tomatoes. We uncovered a gene-for-gene mechanism that confers tolerance and not resistance to the pathogen. This discovery has important implications for field deployment in future, as the introduction of the gene into tomato plants would not be effective in curbing the disease incidence in the field. In my current work, I am extending my interest in plant defense in the forest species Eucalyptus. Forest trees are long-lived organisms that will be challenged with multiple pests and pathogens over their lifetime. Thus, I am focusing on mechanisms that can confer broad-spectrum, long-lasting resistance by dissecting gene families and responses to pests and pathogens. I have adopted the genome editing technology called CRISPR to develop plants with desired traits. With the development of new technologies, we are better equipped to harness this knowledge to address one of Africa's biggest challenges, that of food security. We currently face a backlog in the deployment of novel genetically modified crops that are poised to increase yield and protect against pests and pathogens under harsh African climates. In Africa, the technology exists, but political barriers and economic challenges inhibit the deployment of such technology. I believe I am a NEF fellow as I am passionate about plant science and the role that plant scientists can play in society. I am an inspirational educator and an established researcher, proficient in cutting-edge technology. My CV is testament that I have the makings of a NEF fellow. In my current position, I am working locally together with various parties such as government, industry, and schools in South Africa. But engagement with other parties in Africa is possible through the NEF platform. I would like to engage with government leaders to improve the face of genetically modified crops, to facilitate education and acceptance, leading to increased impact on society.